unreachable. Islam says Allah is Al-Qarib, the near one. And when my servants ask you concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the call of the supplicant when he calls upon me. The Quran 2:186. He's not hiding. He's not indifferent. He's close, hearing, seeing, knowing. He is As-Sami, the all-hearing, Al-Basir, the all-seeing, and Al-Alim, the all-knowing. The first name we hear when reading the Quran is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Every chapter except one begins with it. Why? Because mercy is the foundation of his relationship with creation. My mercy encompasses all things. The Quran 7:156. He is Al-Rahim, too, especially merciful to those who seek him sincerely. But he is also Al-Wadud, the most loving. This isn't a cold creator. This is a God who wants connection. Some ask, why does evil exist? Islam doesn't deny injustice, but it points us to Al-Adl, the most just, and Al-Hakim, the all-wise. Indeed, Allah commands justice and excellence and giving to relatives. The Quran 16:90. Nothing escapes his justice, but his wisdom goes beyond our understanding. What seems unfair today may be the doorway to future mercy. If you know Allah is Al-Razak, the provider, you stop fearing poverty. If you know he is Al-Ghaffar, the constant forgiver, you stop drowning in shame. If you believe he is Al-Mujib, the one who responds, you keep praying even when you feel unheard. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. The Quran 3:53. These names are not just knowledge, they are healing.
Let's go deeper. Allah is not just the creator, he is Al-Khaliq, who creates perfectly, with precision, but he's also Al-Musawwir, the fashioner, who gives each of us form, identity, and beauty. Indeed, we created man in the best of stature. He made you unique, your fingerprint, your soul, your story. He is Al-Malik, the king. But unlike worldly kings, his power is absolute, without injustice. He needs nothing, yet gives everything. That's why he is Al-Ghani, the self-sufficient. He is also Ash-Shakur, the most appreciative. Even the smallest good deed you do, he sees and rewards it beyond what you deserve. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. What kind of God thanks you for thanking him? Only Allah. He is Al-Hafiz, the protector. He guards your soul, your destiny, your honor, even when you don't see it. He is also Al-Halim, the most forbearing. He sees your mistakes. He could punish instantly, but he gives you time to reflect, to change. And when you finally return, he is At-Tawwab, the one who accepts repentance again and again.
Among his names is Al-Khabir, the all-aware. He knows what's in your heart even before you speak. He is Al-Kabir, the all-powerful. Nothing is too heavy for him, yet he is never harsh without wisdom. He is also Al-Alim, the all-knowing. He knows your thoughts, your fears, your hopes. Every leaf that falls, he knows it. And with him are the keys of the unseen. None knows them except him. Quran 6:59. He is Al-Latif, the subtle, the gentle. Sometimes his kindness arrives in ways you don't even notice until later. And he is Al-Karim, the generous. Not only does he forgive, he replaces sins with good deeds. He will replace their evil deeds with good. Quran 25:70. That's not just mercy, that's divine generosity. He is Al-Mateen, the firm one. you can rely on Him. When people break you, when life disappoints you, He remains unshaken. He is Al-Hayy, the ever-living, and Al-Qayyum, the one who sustains all things. He was never born, He will never die. This is the God Muslims worship.
When you love Allah through His names, your life transforms. You stop fearing people because you trust Al-Wakil, the trustee. You stop chasing attention because you seek Al-Raqib, the watchful. You stop worrying about outcomes because you know Al-Muqtadir, the all-determining. He is Al-Basir, He sees your patience. Al-Sami, He hears your dua. He is Al-Haqqan, the giver of the final judgment. And yes, He is also Al-Muntakim, the avenger. Those who oppress, lie, kill, they won't escape.